Okay, guys, this is where we left in our previous record, right? So we said here we wanted to add a topic of our form. So I'm just going to right click in here and then choose insert. Do I need to insert a caption or maybe I use? I just need to add text. I don't want to insert a caption, and then I'm going to say, like, let me say spa point of sale, say Steam, right? And then maybe I'm just going to style this one a little bit so that you can also be able to do the very same thing with yours. I like this. What styling is perfect for this in here? This one. Okay, I need to take this one, the intense code. Yeah, let me just take the intense code, and then I am going to expand this one so that you can see all of our wording in here. And then the font family, I'm just going to choose is Arial okay or Arial black, and then Arial black, and then I'm just going to make it 20. Is 20 okay? If I make it bold, is it okay to be bold? Yes. And then in here I'm just going to edit here. Then now I have the topic in here. I can just make it, maybe let me say make it white, or what is a blending color? This one. Yes, spa point of sale system, right? So now that we have this spa point of sale system heading, then in here I am just going to add some buttons, right? So to create buttins in Word, I'm just going to go to in here and then go to somewhere in here, choose maybe button here. Do you have any button in here? No, let me just, before creating a button, I need these words that are going to be in here, like let's see item name, skill code, all those things. So maybe without waste of time, let me just should I use this, or maybe let me just take a clean text. I'm just going to take text in here. As you can see, your what do you say, your ribbon is all yours. You don't have to use one and the same thing at a time. Try to search for everything that you want to use in here. Try to explore, see how can I use this one, how can I use this one. Okay, now I want to add text. Where do I add text? I don't want to use this one. I wanted the text that is in text. What did we say we do when we wanted a word or something that is not in here? I'm just going to say text in here, and then here throw text box, align text, and this is the one maybe. Yes, this is the one I want. And then in here I'm just going to say skew code, like this one. And then after typing your skew code, maybe let me modify the text inside in here so that it becomes what I want. Skew code maybe 14, maybe the color, okay, let me just shape the field to be none, and then the outline also, it should be none, right? So now I have skew code, like my clean skew code in here. I can change the color. Of course, I'm going to use which color, this one, so that it matches with that one. You understand? So that because we are designing in here, so we want to be sure what our color doesn't I'm now copying and pasting I will also paste, and then I'm just going to position those ones. How do you position them? I'm just going to use, what is happening in here now? Okay, I want to position those ones carefully so that they can be. Where are my rulers? Let me just go to view, and then show rulers, and then yeah, grid lines. Do I need EMA grid lines? No, I only need EMA rulers. So now, and then maybe I can take this one and then paste it there, and then take this one, position it in here neatly. Okay, or maybe we need to take this one, maybe position it right after this one, and then take this one, position it right after that one, and then take this one and position it right here. Okay, so we have SKU code. Now we need to change this in here. Maybe we are going to say item name, and then maybe here we're just going to say price. Yeah, right, as you can see here, I forgot the colon. It is going to the next line. Oh, it had a colon already. And then here price, maybe I'm just going to say Lana quantity, and then maybe after quantity, I feel like I still need to bring them closer, because I need to add more. So I am just going to say where is this format, and then we are going to say, let me just it is growing. I need to okay. No. No, this one I don't want it. I want them to get closer to each other, like a spacing in here. Or what can I use? Okay, and you need to check into these things, and then try to find something that is going to close the spaces or the gaps in between here. But I'm just going to use the manual way, which is this one, and then also this one, which is this one, and then maybe also this one. And then now I can just, this is not squaring up. Why? Okay, now what I can do is I can just click in this, highlight this one, and then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V maybe 2 times, so that I can have much more of the labels, right? Because we said these are labels. Remember, we talked about these ones. We said they are labels. We talked about it in our last class. So I set quantity in here. What else do we want here? We want tendered cash. Oh, tendered. How do you write it? Tendered cash, like this, and then maybe try to expand this one, and then the C is here. Cash is not written like this. Okay, and then here we need to change like this, right? And then I am done creating EMA labels, right? So now what I need are my text fields. So to create my text fields, as you can see, guys, I'm trying to make this as slow as possible so that you can be able to follow along, because you usually say I am fast. So I'm trying to make this thing as slow as possible. If you are taking your laptop and doing this thing along with me, you'll never forget it. I think you are getting that. So now I want to insert my text field. I can just take in them from here, but then if you are not that expert, you are going to go to the insert and then choose for a rounded rectangle in here maybe, and then try to make it to be a text field like this. And then you are going to add the field, maybe making the field to be something like this. And then now what you can do, you just C and V, right? And then take this one, put it here, take this one and put it here, and then take this one and put it in here, take this one and put it in here, take this one. As you can see, I made maybe the spacing is not equally distributed. That is why Nyaro said we are big some. But then you can see the idea now, what we are trying to do, right? So the idea is that these fields should be empty, right, in order for them to create a form. So when it says SKU code, I am going to type in SKU code in here. Like if I can add text, I'm just going to say 4555. When I hit enter in here, I must get the item name, I must get the price, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add what we call the quantity, like there are 3 of them. And then when I added 3, and then I add what we call tendered cash. Maybe the customer paid 200 right, like this. And then we are going to be able to get the change. And then what I'm going to do is now I need to add 2 buttons, which is going to be the clear button or the next customer button, and then the print button. What I'm going to do in here is not what you are limited to do. You can do something much better than this, and I expect you to do so. But here I'm just making a demonstration that this thing is doable. This thing is what you have to do, right? So that you'll be able to design or to do CAD using your Microsoft Word. I think now we need to cut this one in here, and then we are going to continue in the next recording.